Hey guys, Sifu Les Clements here, Black Dragon Kung Fu. Thanks for watching. So this episode is going to be about deep breathing from the lowest chamber you can breathe. So the way that we start, the breath you have to keep in mind is going to come through the nose and exhale out. Now the tip of the tongue is going to be on the roof of the mouth. Okay? Just the tip of the tongue right behind the two front teeth. This will cause a connection. If you read about this in the Qigong manual, it's called The Microcosmic Orbit, a book by Mantak Chia, a famous Qigong master. He talks about that. He can explain it deeper, but it connects a circuit. Energy comes down and normally stops here. Once you connect that tongue on that breath, it continues on and makes a full circuit around. It's called the Microcosmic Orbit. So check it out by Mantak Chia. So we're going to use that breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay, and we're gonna do what's called the golden stove. There's 4 of these, okay? These will make your blood pressure plummet. If you have high blood pressure and you do these every morning, your blood pressure will drop. I've worked with several people that have told me that, and after practicing these, their blood pressure definitely dropped because theirs was high. Breathing, the more oxygen, the better we're gonna be, okay? From lower, breathe down low. Okay, so with this stance, it's gonna look like this. Knees are gonna be bent, right? Right here. So the same breath, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, open with the tongue in place. Here we go. In, exhale down. Tailbone forward, inhale up through the nose, exhale drop. Here we go again. In, exhale drop. All the way in through the nose deep, exhale drop. In, exhale drop. Okay, that's number 1. It's called pressing earth. All right, here we go. Pressing forward. Inhale. Exhale, press. In through the nose. Exhale, press. Drop it down. In. Exhale, press. Drop it down. In through the nose. And press. Drop it down. Here we go again. In. Exhale, press. All right. Number 3, in through the nose. Exhale, press, twist open. Drop it down, in through the nose. Exhale, press. Here we go again, in. Mouth stays open, exhale, press, sink down. Rise up a little. Exhale, sink, twist. All right, east and west, number 3. Number 4, in through the nose. Exhale, press, pressing heaven and earth. Divide heaven and earth up. In through the nose, pulling down the heavens. Exhale, press. Divide heaven and earth. Inhale down. Exhale, press, divide heaven and earth. Inhale down. Exhale, press, divide heaven and earth. And here we go. Okay, so the golden stove, those are the 4 basic exercises. Thanks for watching. If you continue to practice these on a regular basis, like I said, the blood pressure will plummet, okay? You'll have more energy throughout the day. Your thoughts will be clearer. So this is known as the oxygen flood. Not so much the golden stove hand techniques, but the breath, the oxygen flood, okay? And the tradition of Tibetan Buddhism, this is the concept of Vaharayana. It means thunderbolt vehicle. It's interesting research if you check it out. Vahara, V-A-J-A-H-A-R-A, Yana, Y-A-N-A, or thunderbolt vehicle. That'll come right up too if you type it up. So anyway, thanks for watching. If this was helpful, click the like button, and even better if you subscribe. Sifu Les Clements out. Breathe deep.